Yo, what's up, Learn Machines? So this is 18 days into the month, and that is $77,000. Just yesterday, $4,000, and today, $4,300. This is the passive income stream just in literally freaking 18 days. And then right here, this is results with Crack Revenue, an adult marketing network, and that is $90,000 in 18 days running paid campaigns. That's like 5x return on investment and profit. I make money like this every single day, maybe not 100 grand yet per day, but I'm telling you, it's insane because these are results that are just happening all the time every day. And so I'm going to be just making videos, just showing what I'm doing each day, especially the results at the end of the day, like today. And I'm like, these are super easy videos that I can make and just kind of just show my results here. I'll keep doing it throughout the month and see how it goes with y'all. Hopefully this inspires you to take action towards your dreams. And these are just a few of my income streams. I'll show different income streams throughout the month. So stay tuned, share it with your friends. If you guys are interested in checking out any of my programs down below, check them out. Because if you want results like this, you're going to want to have skills, knowledge, and strategies to go crush it. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching, and peace out, learning machines.